In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize shapes in your presentation. Whether you're looking to highlight information, create diagrams, or simply want to make things visually appealing, adding shapes can be a great way to enhance your presentation. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, what you'll want to do is open up your presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you'd like your shape to appear. Finding the right slide is important because placing shapes in the context where they are most relevant keeps your presentation organized and coherent. Once you're on the right slide, look towards the top of your screen. There, you'll see a menu bar. This menu is your gateway to many tools, shapes included. Click on Insert. Once you've done that, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears with an option labeled Shape. Go ahead and click on Shape. Now this is where you can really let your creativity flow. Hover your mouse over any of the shape categories available, whether it's arrows, callouts, or basic shapes, and take your pick. Each category offers a range of different shapes designed to meet various needs. Arrows can be great for indicating directions or processes. Callouts are perfect for annotations or adding text directly beside important points. And the basic shapes can serve multiple roles, from framing text to creating custom diagrams. Just choose the shape that best fits your needs. Once you've highlighted the shape you're interested in, it's time to add it to your slide. To do this, click anywhere on the slide. This click is your starting point. From there, simply drag your mouse to draw the shape. By dragging, you're determining both the size and aspect of the shape. You have complete control over how large or small this shape will be. Once you release the mouse button, the shape is set in place. But don't worry if you're not satisfied with it right away. You can always adjust it later. Click on the shape again, and you'll notice you can move it around to any position on the slide that works best for your content. If you find that your shape isn't the right size or you want to make it more prominent or subtle, grab the corner handles to resize it. And don't forget about the option to rotate. Rotating a shape can help align it with the layout of your slide or create a more dynamic look. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add and customize shapes in your presentations. Now you're equipped to give your slides that extra polish and professionalism that will surely captivate your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.